Hello, everyone. So, in the last lecture, we discussed about basic algebra and a very important concept of basic algebra that was like terms. Like terms are those terms which are made of the same letters, like 10x and 14x, or 15m and 3m. These are like terms. They have the same letters in them. Okay. Like terms can add or subtract with each other. Okay. But what we did not discuss in the last lecture is about multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Is that also impossible when it comes to algebra? Like and unlike terms? No. In case of multiplication and division are very, very lenient kind of operations. So m plus n is unsolvable, but m times n is totally possible. The answer for m times n is mn. Okay, so that means two numbers, two terms, if they are unlike, they can be multiplied. But if they are unlike, then they cannot be added. So addition not possible, but multiplication possible. Okay. So if multiplication is possible, multiplication is so easy and completely non-rigid, then can we also multiply A times B times C times L times P times O times S? Can we multiply all of these together and write the answer? Let's try. So if m times n can be written as mn, this is the answer. Then all of these things can also be written as A, B, C, L, P, O, S. And this should be correct. What do you think? Does it look like it's correct? You can pause the video and take a guess if it's right or wrong. It is absolutely correct. So multiplication, it actually allows you to just write the answer without the multiplication symbol. This is totally possible. However, if I had given you the same question, but I had asked you to add them, A plus B plus C plus L, forget about these three, let's only add these four. The answer is unsolvable. And on the other hand, if I had asked you, excuse me, A plus 3A plus 4A, the answer for that is 1A, 1A. This is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 plus 4 is how much? 9A. So we'll write the answer as 9, and because it had all the same letters, they are all like terms. So the answer is 9A. Okay, you don't skip the A. So the answer is 9A. So this was a brief video about multiplication and division. We never discussed about the division, but it works the same way. Multiplication of these kind of letters is totally possible, and they do not have to be like terms. But if you have to add or subtract them, then they have to be like terms. These guys can be added or subtracted, but m and n cannot be added or subtracted. Okay? Now, whatever I said, if you want to watch the video so many times, multiple times, just watch it and make a note of it somewhere. This is very important information. This will work everywhere in every algebraic question that you're going to be doing. Okay? So I'll see you in the next one. And until then, take care. Bye bye.